In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Zapier. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools to optimize your workflow. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to Zapier's main dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of options designed to enhance your productivity by connecting different applications that you use daily. Our task today is to connect Slack, a widely used communication platform, with Zapier, which is known for its ability to automate repetitive tasks. As you're on Zapier's dashboard, go ahead and look for the option labeled App Connections. This is where you'll manage all the integrations between your favorite applications. Click on App Connections to access the section where you can add new integrations. Once you're in the App Connections page, look for the Add Connection button. This allows you to start a new integration process. Clicking on Add Connection will take you to a search interface where you can specify which app you want to connect to Zapier. The system is designed to be user-friendly, making the process smooth and straightforward. Now, in the search bar, type in Slack. As you start typing, the system will likely auto-suggest Slack, given its popularity. Once you see it, click on Slack to proceed with setting up the connection. It's important to ensure you have the necessary permissions within your Slack workspace to authorize this integration. If you're unsure, you may want to check with your workspace admin before proceeding. After selecting Slack, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts designed to authorize and establish the connection. These prompts may include logging into your Slack account and granting Zapier the necessary permissions to interact with it. Make sure that you're logged into the correct Slack account and that you review the permissions requested. This helps ensure that Zapier can automate the tasks you wish to set up while respecting your privacy and data access preferences. As you proceed through these prompts, take note of any customizations or additional steps you might need to configure, such as selecting specific channels or setting conditions under which automations or zaps will run. This part of the process is where you'll tailor the integration to fit your unique needs. Once you've followed and completed all the prompts, you'll receive a confirmation that your Slack account is now connected to Zapier. Congratulations, you've successfully linked the two platforms. To make the most out of this connection, consider exploring how you might automate notifications, send reminders, or even post updates between applications using Zapier's intuitive interface for creating workflows. By doing so, you'll save time and eliminate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters in your workday. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials on optimizing your digital tools.